Lucian Crown held the divorce papers in his hands. One signature. That was all it would take to end their marriage. Then the lawyer said, "According to the law, you must live together for 30 days before the divorce can be finalized." And the door opened. Myra walked in. 3 years apart, one look at her, and Lucian knew he did not want the divorce anymore. He clenched his jaw, his chest tightened, his mind screamed for control. But seeing her, all his plans began to crumble. "You're staring," Myra said sharply, placing her bag on the chair. He leaned back slowly. "You always noticed." "I always disliked it," she replied. "Not much has changed," he said with a smirk. Chapter 2. They married quickly. Lucian was power, control, sharp edges. Myra was fire, pride, and refusal to bend. They fell hard, loved harder, fought like equals. But fire without patience burns out. One night, one mistake, one silence too long. Myra left. Lucian did not stop her, and that mistake haunted him every day since. Chapter 3. The lawyer cleared his throat. "Before we proceed," he said, adjusting his glasses, "you must live together for 30 days. Only after confirming that you cannot remain together can the divorce be finalized." Myra's eyes widened. "That's impossible." Lucian did not move. He watched her carefully. "I'm not staying with him," she said firmly. The lawyer sighed. "Then the divorce cannot move forward." Lucian stepped closer, voice low and steady. "What's wrong, Myra? Are you scared of living with me?" Her chin lifted instantly. "I'm not scared of you." "Good," he said. "Then you will stay." Chapter 4. The house had not changed. Her books were on the shelf. Her old mug still sat in the kitchen. "You kept everything," she said quietly. "I don't erase what matters," he said. "This means nothing," she said. "It will," he replied. She went to her old room, noticing every familiar detail. And she realized fear was not for him. It was for what they had been. Chapter 5. They made rules. Separate rooms, no questions, no touching. The rules lasted one day. "You still drink coffee like punishment," Myra said at breakfast. "You still talk too much before sunrise." Lucian shot back. "This doesn't fix anything," she said. "No," he replied, stepping closer, voice low. "But it reminds us we're not running." Her breath caught. She hated that he was right. Chapter 6. Early one morning, Myra walked into the kitchen and froze. Lucian stood by the counter, shirtless, muscles defined, damp from the workout. She looked away immediately, her cheeks burning. "Was this necessary?" she asked sharply. "Put a shirt on," she added. He smirked, slow and teasing. She grabbed a mug, avoiding his gaze. "You're impossible." "And yet," he said softly, stepping closer, "you married me." She swallowed. Hate, she told herself. Definitely not attraction. Chapter 7. Tension built with each passing day. Shared dinners, late night silences, small smiles. One evening, a storm knocked out the power. Myra slipped on the stairs. Lucian caught her. Her hands pressed against his bare chest. Her breath stilled. His face hovered close, too close. "Let go," she whispered. "If I do," he murmured, "you'll fall." "Then let me fall," she said. He released her slowly. Not yet. Chapter 8. Days later, Myra asked quietly, "Why didn't you fight for me?" Lucian did not joke this time. "My father's company collapsed," he said. "Debt, investigations, risk." She froze. "I didn't want you dragged into it." "You decided for me," she said softly. "Yes," he admitted, "and I was wrong." Something shifted in her. Chapter 9. The argument came suddenly. Sharp words, old pain. "Say you don't feel this," Myra challenged. Lucian stepped forward. She pushed his chest, trying to stop him. But before she could move, his mouth met hers. The kiss was slow, deep, and controlled. Not rushed, not violent. Her fingers curled into his shoulders before she realized it. For one perfect moment, everything burned again. Then she pulled back. "This doesn't fix us," she whispered. "No," he agreed. "But it reminds us why we broke." Chapter 10. The lawyer returned. "Well?" he asked. Lucian looked at Myra. She looked back. "I don't want the divorce," Lucian said firmly. Myra's breath trembled. "I'm not sure either." The papers stayed unsigned, and they decided to give their love another chance. Some marriages don't end, they wait till they bloom.